I used to plan my whole life around hiding my head, not living, hiding. And there was this one moment where it hit me. I wasn't just losing my hair, I was losing me. If you have a visible difference, alopecia, vitiligo, scars, birthmark, a skin condition, and you're worn out from managing people's reactions, I see you. And today, I'm gonna give you the first step, the step that makes every other step possible. For me, it was alopecia. I got really good at disappearing in plain sight. Hats, angles, lighting, photos I wouldn't be in, events I'd skip, and that smile that says, I'm fine, while your whole body's screaming, get out. Here's what I didn't realize back then. I wasn't only hiding from people, I was hiding from my own reflection. And I made a promise to myself that sounded hopeful, but I was actually a trap. Once that changes, then I'll show up. But it didn't change, so neither did my life. This series is called the 5R Framework, and it starts with R1, recognition. The big idea: you can't change what you won't admit is happening. Recognition is the moment you stop sprinting away from reality and you actually look at your life with honesty, not with shame, with truth. Recognition is basically noticing three things. Number one, the story you've been telling yourself. Number two, mask you've been wearing. Number three, the ways you've been hiding, because until you can name it, it runs you. And if faith is part of your life, I want to say this plainly. Awareness isn't the enemy of faith. A lot of the time, it's a door to healing. Bringing something into the light is a weakness, it's wisdom. You're not broken because you feel fear, you're human, and you're not alone in this. Let's make it real. Answer this out loud or drop it in the comments. Where do you hide the most? Photos, dating, work meetings, church, the gym, family gatherings? And what's the sentence you tell yourself right before you hide? Maybe it's they'll stare, they'll judge me, I'll be a burden, I don't look like me. No performance here, just truth. Now let me give you a simple tool you can use today. It's 3 steps. Step 1, see it. Notice the moment you shift into hiding, the moment your body changes. Step 2, name it. Give the fear a real label. Fear of being seen, fear of rejection, fear of questions. Track it 7 days, not to shame yourself, to study yourself. For me, it was the bright lights in group photos. I feel my chest tighten and I start scanning for exits like I was in danger. Recognition was realizing, oh, this is my pattern. Now here's your first 5-minute exercise. I call it the mirror moment. Do it once this week, just once. Stand in front of a mirror for 60 seconds. No fixing, no adjusting, no searching for the good angle. Just breathe. Say the sentence out loud if you can. This is my face, this is my body, this is my life, and I'm still here. Then open your notes app and write 3 lines. When I feel seen, the story I tell myself is, the cost of hiding has been. That's recognition, not denial. No hype, just awareness. And there's a real reason that this works. When you name an emotion and spot a pattern, your brain can shift from panic to processing. You move from something is happening to me and I want to understand what's happening in me. And that shift is where your confidence starts to come back. I need you to hear this. The goal isn't to pretend you don't care what people think. The goal is to stop letting fear write your choices. You could be seen and still be safe. You could be different and still be worthy. You could be honest about how hard this is and still be strong. Recognition is R1. It's the foundation. In the next episode, I'll walk you through the rest of the 5R framework so you don't just get a moment of motivation. You build a real momentum. If you've ever thought, okay, but what do I do next? That's what this playlist is for. Here's your challenge for the next 24 hours. Number 1, comment one place you hide and that sentence you tell yourself. Number 2, do the mirror moment once this week. And 3, then watch episode 2 right after this. Because recognition without a next step can turn into overthinking. The moment I stopped hiding wasn't the day everything changed from the outside. It was the day I told myself my truth on the inside. So start here, recognition. I'm glad you're here. Let's take the next step together. God bless.